Everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will see how you can integrate Authorize.net payment gateway in Laravel 12. So I think to integrate this payment gateway, I don't think so that it took like more than 2 minutes. So let's begin it. So first of all, I am installing a fresh Laravel project. So we have to write a composer create project Laravel slash Laravel and then authorize learning. Okay, so now from composer my project is getting created, and the one thing is that we don't gonna use any of the packages or anything which is available online, because the part is when you use the package it will reduce your time, but when it's time for upgrading or Laravel version get upgraded, and at that time definitely, like, sometimes that the package will get deprecated and then your application will become unstable. So in this video we don't gonna use any of the third party packages. So the most important thing is that before starting or integrating any of the third-party API, that you need the keys and all those things. So to collect your keys, you have to create your account here, right? Like if you are testing, then you have to create your account in the sandbox, right? Then you can see a screen like this one. Go to your account, and then in the account you can get your API key and credential. So I already have my API keys and credential, right? So I will just put it into my env. Let it be copied. So this will be my transaction key, API key, and API login ID. So I will put in my .env file. So let me put it here. Okay. Now the other thing is we need controller, a blade file, and a route, and that's it. So we have to create a blade file under payment.blade.php resources views, and then payment.blade.php. Okay. Now the next thing will be we have to create controller. So I have created one controller here. In the controller, paste this code. Perfect. Now the routes. Okay. And the namespace path of the controller. Okay, now it will be perfect. So now the other thing we have to do the route cache, because whenever you are adding new routes to the Laravel, then first you have to clear the route cache. Now we will go to the payment page. So do the PHP artisan serve first. PHP artisan serve, and in the browser you can visit this URL. Okay, so here I have already passed the testing card number and one future date and all those things. When you are doing this thing in live, so keep in mind that the customer have to pass all those details, and you can also design this card in much good and in the much authentic manner, right? So the part is I am doing the testing it. That's why I've just created a basic UI for you guys. So when you click on pay now, see the payment being successful. So whenever you make a payment, you will receive an email as well. If you like, see here, see, so whenever you make a payment, you will receive an email as well, right? That the payment being done. Okay, now let's jump to the code. Here I've written a very simpler manner, right? This one is the payload which we have to pass, right? Where you can pass the API ID, transaction key, amount, card number, and because these things are getting from the form, and then we have to in the endpoint. What will the endpoint? My endpoint will be this, right? Live URL endpoint will be different, so you can pass it here, and just we have make it as a and then when you make the payment, the response is coming into something. The part is if you see this code, right? If you see this code now, so when you get the response body, the JSON contains this thing, so I have to replace that thing in order to show the successful transaction. So when you transaction gets successful, it is coming in this function. So here you can write your code at what all the thing you wanted to do, like when the payment is being done. And I have also added a code snippet for the webhook part, right? I can't show the webhook part in the local system definitely, because we have to make it live to show you. Well, anyway, like if you are integrating this, or you are using the or you wanted to use the Authorize.net payment gateway in any of the application, we are open to help you. So just go and contact us, right? And I hope you like this video, and you get clear about that what I'm doing here, right? Well, anyways, if you have any confusion, you can put the comment, right? And the part is, thank you for so much watching my video. Subscribe it, like it. Till now, bye bye.